I hate unboxing videos, so if you don't want to sit through this one, just skip to like 32 minutes if you just want to see what's in the box.
Y'all ready?
Just kidding, don't do that. What's up guys, it's T-Fade. I'm not gonna make y'all sit through 30 minutes of unboxing, but I did get a package from none other than Sundown, and I'll tell you, you know it's a good day when you get a package from Sundown. And it's not the first package I've ever gotten from Sundown, but man, I'll tell you, every time is like Christmas morning. I still have the $150 challenge package sitting there. That's for another video. But today, let's see what's in this one, and I'll spare y'all all the opening and all that crap, and we'll just get into it. So I already used my trusty pocket knife to open this just for Skip. And what do we have here? Oh, fancy. Oh my god, look at that. Man, let's get one of these out of the package. Obviously, spare y'all the suspense. This is the new Sundown U-Series components. That's some shoddy camera work. Good grief, I'm gonna have to do this one-handed. Oh man, that thing is beefy. I swear this is the first time I've handled this, so y'all are getting to see them at the same time I am. Oh, look at that. That is delicious. Oh man, that is beautiful. Dude, I have held some of the best components in the world in my hand, and this is quality. Hopefully they sound as good as they look. Man, look at this tweeter. This is no joke. Dang, she's a thick boy. She's a thick boy. Let me get a better tripod for doing this shit. Oh. Man, some time went into these. Look at that. Gorgeous. Is it a ring radiator? I can't tell. No. I should probably look up the specs on these. There's no way. Is it? It's not beryllium. But it is gorgeous. Wow. Great job on the cosmetics. And knowing Jacob, they probably measure quite well. So we are definitely we got to get these tested. So I did a video a while back that I never shared. Once I clean up all this mess, Jesus. So these, I built these towers just for testing drivers, components, whatever. Right now, let me see how right now they have the JBL Selenium in them. So that'll be sort of my benchmark for testing, sort of my benchmark for testing PA stuff, which is what I want to do. I want to start testing some PA stuff so you guys can know, get a little more information on what's good, what do I consider, you know, bang for the buck. You know, there's a lot of talk about really horrible PA stuff on the forums or the groups, and I'd like to get some better information out there on what actually sounds good, what's actually worth the money, because a lot of people just kind of shop from the right side of the menu. Absolutely wrong way to do it. And unfortunately, a lot of the specs on those things, on those speakers, are wildly inaccurate. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I'll share some of the video of my thoughts on building those and stuff like that. So I'll cut to that video, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, so here we got some partially built cabinets, and you're wondering what these are for. I'll tell you all here in a minute. But so this here is a pretty nifty little idea. So we got a terminal cup here, so full range wires come in here, speaker wire, speaker feed, and then it's got crossover network built into the terminal cup. So black and yellow, this is for tweeter, and that I can't remember the value, but it is a 6,000 hertz split for the tweeter, and then red and gray here is for the woofer, and that is 200 hertz for the woofer at 8 ohms. Now it's a 6 dB first order crossover, so it's basically amounts to 200 hertz at 6 dB is about like 100 hertz at 12 dB. So this should be good for testing PA woofers, which is what we're doing. There's no low pass for the woofer here. It's just a high pass. So the woofers that we're going to listen to are going to have every opportunity to play as high as they want. And that is an overview of the crossover network we have in here. Also, I'm going to do just some full range stuff in here in case we want to run anything in here full range. So there you go. Alright, so here is the basic setup. I am sitting in my listening position, and this tape here is the sweet spot, and that is equidistant to each speaker. They are both angled in at 45 degrees or roundabouts, so that when I am sitting here, I am the same distance from each speaker, so right in the sweet spot. And this is the amp. It's a Sony 190 something or another. It's 2x100 full range, and then just a CD player in case I need all that. Each speaker is roughly 3 cubic feet. Let's see if I can do it here. Yeah, roughly 3 cubic feet, because that's roughly the size of a door. I did not take great care in sealing these up, since a door isn't perfectly sealed, but they do have sound treatment inside, so they are pretty decent door analog, if I do say so myself. I pulled them off of the wall to try to reduce any interference. This monstrosity here is not going to be a permanent fixture. That's actually our mattress. We're doing one of those 100-day trials to see if we like the thing, but I'm just calling it sound treatment, so just deal with it. All right, there's a mattress against the wall, and when that goes away, maybe I will actually do some sound treatment back there on the amp wall behind that thing. Anyway, so just a broad overview of the setup. 2-channel. These are the JBL Seleniums in there now, with some BS Super Tweeters, since I know you guys love the Tweeters. And amp over there in the corner that I can Bluetooth to my phone. I have a very specific SQ playlist that I play. And yeah, and then, you know, just kind of jam out. I'm gonna review them like subjectively, and then I'm gonna take some measurements objectively, and then we'll see what's up. We'll see who's the winner here. Do some PA love. All right, so yeah, there you go. We got the sundown components in. Gave y'all a broad overview of my review setup that I'm going to be using to listen and measure PA woofers and or any other components that we come across that we might be interested in. I do actually have a couple of other sets of PA woofers that I won't disclose right now that I'll be making videos on later on. So feel free, and actually please do drop in the comments what woofers and or tweeters that you guys would like to see me do a review on, listen to, measure, give my thoughts, rate. I don't know. I have an idea for like a rating system, sort of like an SQ type score sheet where several categories, rate them, and come up with an overall T-Fade score. I don't know yet. It's a work in progress. So anyway, drop a comment. Tell me what woofers that y'all would like to see, or tweeters, or components, whatever y'all want to see tested, and I'll see about getting some here. Anyway, I'm gonna end it here. Good to see you guys. See you next time, if there's a next time.